Hi friends, today we are going to make Hyderabad Street style chicken fry. If you need to try a different tasty chicken fry, go for Hyderabad local street style chicken fry. It's a unique recipe. Let's move to the video. Take a pan, heat 3 tablespoons oil, fry 3 sliced onions. Fry until onion turns brown in color. Grind the fried onions in a blender. Remove it into a bowl. Keep for later use. In a bowl, take 500 gram chicken. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 8 to 10 curry leaves. Also add half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon fennel powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 chopped green chilli, 2 tablespoon curd, half teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it well. Marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. Add the fried onion to the marinated chicken pieces. Mix it well. Take a pan, heat 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 pod cardamom, 1 medium sized cinnamon stick, 3 cloves. Cook for 1 minute. Now add the marinated chicken pieces to fry. Cook on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Add 4 to 5 curry leaves. Mix it well. Switch off the flame. Our Hyderabadi street style chicken fry is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.